Comparing non-stick ceramic cookware, Caraway, Green Pan Valencia Pro, and Extrema. When evaluating non-stick ceramic cookware, it's beneficial to compare Caraway with its competitors to make an informed choice. Two notable alternatives are Green Pan Valencia Pro and Extrema ceramic cookware. Non-toxic coating. Green Pan's ceramic non-stick coating is free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring safer cooking without harmful chemicals. Durability. Constructed with hard anodized aluminum, the Valencia Pro line offers enhanced scratch resistance and longevity. Induction. Compatibility. Equipped with a magneto base, it's suitable for all stovetops, including induction. Oven safe. Oven safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, providing versatility for various cooking methods. Non-stick longevity. As with many ceramic coatings, the non-stick properties may diminish over time, especially with frequent use. Price point. Green Pan Valencia Pro is positioned at a higher price range, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. 100% ceramic construction. Extrema offers pure ceramic cookware, free from metals, ensuring no leaching of chemicals into food. High temperature resistance. Capable of withstanding oven temperatures up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for broiling and high-heat cooking. Non-reactive surface. Ideal for cooking acidic foods without altering flavors or causing surface degradation. Heating efficiency. Extrema cookware heats up more slowly compared to metal-based options, which may affect cooking times. Fragility. Being entirely ceramic, it's more susceptible to chipping or breaking if mishandled. Weight and handle design. The cookware is relatively heavy, and the short handles can become hot, requiring careful handling. In summary, while Caraway offers aesthetically pleasing and functional cookware, Green Pan Valencia Pro provides a durable, induction-compatible alternative with a safe non-stick surface. Extrema stands out for its pure ceramic construction and exceptional heat resistance, but requires careful handling due to its fragility and weight.